Making a real quick video here, upgrading my Ender 3 that's been heavily modified with the Slicer all metal hot end, all metal heat brake. About 39 bucks on Amazon right now for the US. And I went ahead and pulled mine out. It's a heck of a setup you gotta do. Mine's pretty nasty. I just got done printing too, and I was like, yeah, time to do it. Them two bolts on the bottom on mine were pretty bad because I don't use a sleeve over this, the rubber sleeve. Never have success with that. And when I put it back on, because everybody's like, oh, you have to, my prints just start messing up. So the one on the left is the original to the Ender 3 that came with it from Creality. And on the right is the new one from Slicer from Amazon. If you guys continue to see prints online, actually I'm going to do a video on everything I've done to this, but when you look in there it doesn't look much different. But if I can do this with one hand, so I can't put this back into the original one, but it came out to right there where my thumb is at. Right there, that's how far it went into that one. You can also see right there. And then this one, it only goes in there, that's it. I'm not pushing any further than that. So when they're like all metal hot end, look how much, that's all the further it went into the new one. And I'll definitely go in further than that on that one. So if you guys see my video that should come out shortly after this of everything I've done to this, it will have the all metal hot end in it from Slicer. Link will be in the description below. Just showing you how much it pairs up. I do have to put some, I hate when I end a video and then I continue to talk. I do have to put some paste on there. Got this at my store. This is about 10 bucks for a big old glob of it. Better than Amazon where it's 15 bucks for a little dinky pinch of it.